Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. So I told everyone in Discord to go long. So far that's playing out. Before you do click long, you need to watch this entire video. It's going to be pretty short. I'm just going to keep it sweet and to the point. So we crossed the ring on the weekly. That is bullish. If you watched previous video, that was this one here. I explained multiple scenarios how this could play out. We could push above it, drop back below it. But once we cross it again and hold it as support, that'd be the point to go long. Link to this video now if you want to check it out. And as you can see, and also in that video I did mention, not only the daily, but a weekly open above this blue ring would be even more bullish. So as you can see, not only did we cross it on the daily, right, which was support where I said to go long, we also crossed it on the daily. Right here, this was in Discord. This was on May 29th. I said 67,005K area is your current key support on the hourly and the D1 chart. All of these price labels are showing these are the points to go long. 66.8, 67.5. So as long as you hold above this point to go long. And then further into Discord, this was this was yesterday. So going by the rings of the daily and the weekly based on the rings, this is the point you'd want to go long, or if you're already long, to hold your long. And obviously if you retest support, to go long, because not only did we cross the blue ring on the daily, we crossed it on the weekly as well. However, I would not go long now because we need to get above two resistance levels. Once that becomes support, then I would go long. Again, your point too long was down here. Longing now would be risky. I would short this point, but once we get above that point, I would go long. Before we get into that, guys, if you do want to get access to these live charts in Discord, you can sign up to the website. Links pinned in the first comment description. If you want to get a leverage trading, 3 exchanges I use and trust are CoinCatch. CoinCatch is no KYC. Some states in the US, you do not even need a VPN. BingX, you get up to 150 times leverage, as well as BitGet. All those links, if you want to sign up, are pinned in the first comment and description. If you want to learn how to trade on BitGet, remember, once you trade on one, you can trade on them all. Teach you how to open a long, open a short, set a stop loss, adjust your stop loss, trigger orders, all of that. So watch this video, I'll put a link up to it now. So as I said, guys, you can see we came down, we tested this ring 1, 2, almost a third time, and fourth time it was to the tick. That was your point too long. But you can see we're testing 2 key major resistance levels. I'm not going to break down this chart again. I did it in the last video. Go watch it. I'm just going to give you key levels to pay attention to. Get right to the point. If we get above, and I mentioned this in Discord, this is your point you'd want to scalp a short. The reason this chart's running real slow is because everybody has this chart open right now. Your current key resistance right now to pay attention to is 69K. If this, come on, turn red. All right, come on. Like I said, this thing is running very, very slow. That's just insane. So your current key resistance is right around 69,100, around that area. But you do have another key resistance level just above. This is a very critical resistance level. This is right here around, let's just say 69,500. So look, right now would be a point to scalp a short. And when I say scalp a short, it means yes, you can keep your long open if you're long from below. Scalp a short means keep your long open, open a short, take profit on your short while keeping your long open. Or you can wait, whatever you want to do. But I would feel much more comfortable if you're not already in a trade. Like I said, longing now would be risky. However, if we hold above 69K, that would be bullish. If we hold above 69,500 as support, that will be even more bullish. But just going by the ring, which held as perfect support, that was literally to the damn dollar. Again, every time we cross these blue rings, we always get a pump. Yes, we're kind of going sideways, but going by the rings, it does look bullish. But we still have to get above 69K. That will be bullish. If we get above 69,500, that will be even more bullish. So again, if you're waiting for a point too long, your point too long was 66K, around that area. If you're waiting to jump in a long now, I would wait to see if we hold above 69,500 for more upside targets. But again, it is looking bullish because we did cross this blue ring. If you've been following me for a while, you know what's up with this blue ring. And again, your upside target, well, I covered those targets in previous videos if you want to go back and watch them. But again, if you're leverage trading, guys, 3 exchanges I use and just are CoinCatch, BingX, and BitGet. All those links if you want to sign up are pinned in the first comment description. I am still having a special going on, so if you do want to sign up to get access to all these live charts in Discord, as well as tutorials, make sure you email me through the website. And if you do sign up, make sure you email me through the website to get access to Discord. You can pay with USDT, but you will need to email me through the website in order to do that. Guys, that's it. I will see you in Discord. I'm out.